Trigo.
Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Jerome Katibog speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some food.
Tell me, sir, do you have the menu with you? It's the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes,
May I have your name and room number, please?
my name is Gian and my room number is 207.
Thank you for that information. Okay, sir, Gian of room 207. May I take your order?
I want pizza.
Would you like iced tea or how about someone go with it?
ST.
Is there anything else that you would like to order?
That will be all, thank you.
Okay, Sir Gian, may I repeat your order? Your order is pizza and iced tea. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or at a specific time?
Specific time.
The total amount of your bill is 350 pesos. Are you paying it in cash or change it to your room?
Third sheet.
Alright, sir. How much bill do we need to change for? Is there anything else that I can help you with?
Nothing.
Thank you for bringing up that. Would you like me transfer your call to the right department to address your concern? Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day.